Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, OUKITEL South Africa. So today I'll be demonstrating how to apply a hand strap on our OUKITEL Rugged Tablet. So our Rugged Tablets, they come with different straps. So number one, out of the box, in this instance, we're going to be using OUKITEL RT7 Titan 5G. And then we're gonna take out our shoulder strap because the device is heavy. So some people would love to use a shoulder strap. And then next, we're gonna take out our screwdriver and two black brackets with 4 screws inside. And then next, we're gonna take out our handle. With this handle, it helps, you can balance your device just to take notes and hold it as a handbag. It's very strong, it's metal, you can just easily apply it with that tiny screwdriver and those screws. And then last but not least, we've got a leather hand strap to help support your hand. Let's say you don't want to use a shoulder strap and you don't want to use that handle, you can always use this hand strap. Okay. So now we're gonna take out our screwdriver and our brackets with our 4 screws. It's actually 6 screws, so we've got 2 extra screws just in case you lose one. Okay, so you first position the first bracket on your left hand side or on your right hand side. It's up to you which side you want to start on. And then you put the screw. Awesome. Now that you've tightened your brackets, you check, you gently lift up the device to check if it's tight enough, and then you're happy. And then you reach out for your hand strap, your leather hand strap. And voila. And this is how your hand strap is applied. On the first one, I showed you how to apply the brackets with the leather hand strap. So on this one, I'll be showing you how to apply the handle. So the handle, you apply it exactly how you apply the brackets. So we'll take our handle, you position it nicely. So you make sure your handle is positioned properly, not upside down, not the other way around, but this position is the perfect position. So you make sure everything is aligned. Then you put your screws in. Voila. And your stand or handle is now applied. You can position your tablet in any way you like. You put it up to balance as if you are taking notes on your screen. You put it in any position that you like. It can be this position. Let's show the back, how it looks like at the back when it's standing. And this is how it sits. It's strong. Trust me, even if you can shake the table, it will not fall. You can flatten it, you can lift it up all the way up and hold it as a handle like that, as a handbag. It's very, very cool. Awesome.